see here, this is their Christmas what? This is their Christmas gift. So this is available if you want your t-shirt. Like if you want t-shirt or you want water bottle, you can claim any of them. But what should I claim out of these two? Should I claim t-shirts? Do you guys need round neck? Should I claim it? Let me claim this water, this thing. So I will just click on get it now. Okay. So all right, guys, like I've said before now, that if this guy here that I just paid for, let me show you. I think, okay, let me see it here. So this is it here. If this water bottle, I think is water bottle, or what do you guys call it? If this guy, fashionable glass water cup, right? If it is not too much for you as your Christmas gift, in this tutorial I'm quickly going to be showing you how you can get this free as your Christmas gift from womata and Skycargo, okay? Without even doing anything. You don't need to buy anything. They are just giving, they are dashing out their customer, they are dashing this out for each of their customers. So it's not a must you be their customer, because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do what, how you can gain this thing for free, and you can create as much as possible to create, like you can create 5 different accounts to get these things, right? Just for free. You can see here, let me show you the details of this order here for you to see that I just paid, I think 3 naira or 2 naira. So this is where we have the details of this item. The item was supposed to be sold for what, 2,450, but with their Christmas giveaway, they only discounted it, and what you are to pay is just 2.45 RMB. So what I'm going to be doing, RMB or naira, sorry. So what I'm going to be doing now is to do another account. Like I'm going to be creating another account for the sake of this tutorial, so you can know how these things works from scratch. Okay, so if you want to create an account with womata, okay, so I've already recorded a video on it. I don't want this video to be a long one, because if I said I want to start recording a new video now, it will be very long. So I've recorded a 5-minute video. Now you can create an account with this guy. So just click on it. Like you will see it under the description button of this tutorial. So you can see here that to pick up, I have one. So I definitely have this. I haven't picked it up yet. I only use it for tutorial, but if you want it, I can give you the code that you will use to pick it up and add it to yours to make it 2. So this is the reason why I'm doing this, is for those people that have been watching my video from January. So this will just be a bonus to you and a gain for you, right, for following me for over 1 year. So if if this is your first time of seeing a content like this, please like the video, share it, and also comment. Right, there's no need to introduce myself. That having been said, let me just switch to the new account I just created. So I'm just going to log out and confirm. So I'm going to log in the new account I created, so I can tell you how to get this coupon and make use of it. Okay, so I think this is my account now. Let me click on login. So I've logged in. This is a new account I just created. I told you you don't need to pay for any dime. You don't need, no, you are paying 3 naira or 5 naira. So you don't need to say you want to do this, you want to do that. So this is the first thing you want to do. Go and watch the video first on how to create an account. Create your account with your email and your phone number. They don't require you buying anything. No, we are getting this all for free. So now after you are done creating your account, then you want to come to your Skycargo app. So if you don't have Skycargo app, I'm also going to be leaving it under the description button on how you can do what, create an account. It's just within 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes or 5 minutes, 5 minutes video to do what, to have an account with them. So once you have your account here, the reason why I'm recording this video is so you can understand. Is a souvenir. You can see here they are sharing souvenir of t-shirts. They also have round neck, and they also have this fashionable water dispenser. Is it water dispenser? Anything I call it, please take it with me. Okay, so that haven't been said again. Once you are done creating this account, please, if you don't know how to create an account, I will also leave it under the comment section, or you can ask under the comment section, but I will pin it under the description button so you can watch how to create an account. So let's assume you've already gotten your account now with Skycargo, because Skycargo owns womata with my research. Okay, so let's assume you've created the 2 accounts now. So how do you get your coupon? How do you claim it? Now you see where we'll have this thing here where it says thank you for your support. Customer who have used Skycargo to ship goods from Nigeria can get their gift. So you can see this link here. You just go to your browser, copy it. Copy this link, and let me go to my browser so you can see. So I have womata womata.com/what womata.com/gift and what .html. So this is it. I'm also going to be leaving the link to this guy under the description button, so you can just click on this link and it will take you there directly. Okay, so once this thing will pop up now we want to claim our water fashionable for this guy to come up. So I think it's coming up now. Let's wait for the whole pages to load. So you can see that they are giving out exclusive Christmas gift for all of their customers. So it doesn't matter if you are an old customer or you are just creating your account new. So you can see here, this is their Christmas what? This is their Christmas gift. So this is available if you want your t-shirt. Like if you want t-shirt or you want water bottle, you can claim any of them. But what should I claim out of this two? Should I claim t-shirts? Do you guys need round neck? Should I claim it? Let me claim this water, this thing. So I will just click on get it now. Okay, so now that's the reason why we are creating this account. So the first one here is your womata ID. How do you get your womata ID? Just come to your womata app here. You can see where we have ID. Just long press and copy it. So it has been copied. Go back to the link, then you paste it here. Right, you paste it here. Then your Skycargo code. So how do you get your Skycargo code to? Just come to your Skycargo, click on my account here. Then you can see here, this is my account. Okay, and I've also recorded, if you want to use this guy to ship from China to Nigeria, I'm going to be leaving the full video on how this every dashboard here, how to ship, how to pay, how to do everything. I'm going to be leaving it under the description button, so you can also watch it. So I'm just going to copy the link here, the ID which I'm presently circling. Once you are done copying it, then you paste it here again. These are 2 different accounts. We created it for this souvenir. So once you are done, then you want to do what? You want to click on submit. So it will confirm these 2 IDs. So you can see here, it says you have already claimed this coupon. Each person is limited to 1 claim, right? So it is telling me now that I've already claimed this coupon code on this account. So what I'll do now is just to come here, then I'm going to just sign out for this account. So I'm going to sign out, then I'm going to log in the new account I created for this tutorial again. So it will automatically log me in. So what I'll do now is that I'll just come to my account here, then copy this code. You can see that this code is different now. So I'll now come to this here, edit this one and paste the new Skycargo code there. So I'm going to click on submit. So it will confirm it. So you can see now your Skycargo account does not meet with this eligibility criteria. Oh, okay, I think it's for existing people. But however, for those of us that already have these guys, you can definitely do well to just click on it. So once you click on it, it will just tell you that you can now claim it. So it will now come under these settings here. Under this message, you will see it here that you can claim your item there. So once you claim, then you will now need to fund your account with just 5 naira or 10 naira or 100 naira. So how to fund your account on Skycargo, I'll just leave it under the comment section to watch how you can just transfer 100 naira or 200 naira to claim this souvenir from these guys. If you are buying t-shirts, if you are buying if you are buying if you are claiming t-shirts or the water dispenser. So after that, you just click on message, you will see it here. So from there, you can always pick it up. So if I'm to, let me switch back to the other account so I can show you the process and how it looks like. Okay, so after that, you will now be able to claim it and you will go to their office. It is there already. They are not shipping it. Okay, so they are not shipping it at all. It is for their customer. So they are not shipping it. So you just see it under this message here. You will see it under this message here. So something like this, other message, you will see it. So you just click on it to claim it. So I've already claimed this one, how I wish that account is eligible. So you can see now to pick up, it's available to pick up. So if you are watching this video, you are the first person to watch till this very end, just comment, give me the code. Just comment it under this post. So I'll just give you the code to go and claim it in their office. If you are in Lagos, okay, you can claim it then. So that is how to do it, guys. You can see I still have wallet. I still have 397 with these guys. Okay, so that's how you can claim your free souvenir. How I wish this my new account can do that. So I think they only have it available for their existing customers. That's why I was able to do it on my account. So I wish I could just complete it. But however, if you have if you have gotten this Skycargo in the past, you can just definitely do what to claim your orders. So that's what I wish to give you as my free gift at the end of the year. And definitely there is more coming next year. Okay, so if you've gained value from watching today's tutorial, like the video, share it, and you can also now join my Facebook group. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section. We have WhatsApp group, we have Facebook group, and we also have Telegram group where you can ask questions about importation, e-commerce, and exportation business. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.